So I've got my pan cleaned up, got my Honda Bond in hand, gonna lay a bead down around here, and I'm gonna clean up underneath there, bolt this up. Now I've only ever seen this done once, but it was by some people I trust. And they came back and just kind of spread this out. I'm gonna make sure it's still tall. I am just gonna kind of try to cover everything. I'm sure somebody in the comments could tell me how I did this wrong. But if it seals, that's all I really care about. Yeah, see, like here, I don't think I have enough. It is baking hot. And my cap just came off. That's gonna make doing the timing cover fun. Alright, well, I've got a pretty good coat on here. I can't imagine this is gonna leak anywhere. At least I hope not. Alright, now the super fun part is I have to get this onto the engine without screwing it up. Hope this stuff doesn't dry very fast. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna go set this in the shade. So the other thing I have to contend with is this. This is the pattern for tightening it up. But you also use some of these bolts in these star spots, some of the other bolts in other spots. So I'm going to start with these ones and go from there. All right. Let's see if we can not make a giant mess out of this and get this oil pan to seal up. I think what I'm gonna do is grab this, my tin, and use it like a little wrench. Well, I just knocked a bunch of bond off. So, a little bit more. All right, take two. Got to be more careful. Why won't you go to your home? I guess we'll just tighten this up like this. And then just hold it tight. Because I got no other option at this point.
2 hours later.
Well, timing cover's back on. Oil pan is back on, bolted up, so you can see We're still missing a few things. I've got the sensors and things. I'll put those back in there just to cover some stuff up. My timing cover should be here shortly. Throw some tape over it for now. But the pump is installed. The oil pan is installed. The front cover is installed and not coming back off, which means back in the car with it. The next time you see it, what we'll be doing is grabbing the hoist again, but situating the engine in a way that we can start building mounts for it. I've been talking about it. It's finally come. The next episode is starting to fab some mounts. Definitely won't finish the mounts, but we'll get it started. I also took the time to get these studs off the back here for this water passage. I have that. I'm going to toss it on before I get it back in the engine bay. I'm sure you all have seen that before, but it'll help me get a better position and stop tearing all of the new foam that I put on the firewall for some reason. So that'll do it for today. Thank you to the people who watch this. I am just shocked that even the 30 people who watch every video, I really just want to say thank you. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, if you like this video, consider subscribing. It would really help me out. I got to 69. Sweet. Hopefully we can get that number to 100 soon. But as always, thanks again. Hope to see you next time.